Hello and welcome. This is a demonstration of the calibration management system developed by ASD Support System. Calibration isn't just a checkbox, it's the backbone of accurate measurement. In manufacturing, one tiny error can mean massive losses. Proper calibration ensures consistency, reliability, and full compliance. If precision matters to you, it starts here. Let's begin with the dashboard. The dashboard is real-time and fully customizable, providing a complete overview of your calibration activities. Total calibrations, completed calibrations, due calibrations, number of instruments in system. Below that, you'll see a detailed gauge summary list view. A bar chart categorizing calibrations by frequency, daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly. This gives you clear visibility into all instrument calibrations at a glance. Now, let's move to the main calibration scheduling page. First, select the calibration start here. The approval authority. Let's schedule a calibration for a specific gauge. You'll need to choose the prepared by user. Select the gauge instrument. Set the frequency, daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. Define the interval and current date. Once done, click the Generate button. The system will automatically schedule the calibration dates based on frequency and interval. Send email notifications to all responsible team members. After scheduling, the system fetches gauge details such as instrument code, location, status. This ensures that no manual input is needed and reduces the chances of error. Now let's create the calibration report for the scheduled date. The system autofills key information. Instrument name, next calibration date. Conclusion, satisfactory or not satisfactory, to be entered by admin. Below that, fill in the measurement data. We can also attach supplier reports if calibrated from outside, maintaining history of data. The report undergoes a step-by-step approval process after it is completed. Once done, users can download the calibration report directly from the system. Export the full calibration summary in Excel format. This Excel report includes approval history, measurement details for audits and reviews, financial year-wise calibration schedules. In addition to ERP integration, our calibration management system offers auto-scheduling based on frequency and interval, email notifications to responsible personnel, auto-fetch of instrument metadata, stage-wise approval process, real-time dashboards and summary views, bar chart categorization by calibration frequency, instant PDF and Excel report generation, full audit history and traceability. These features make the system robust, audit-ready, and highly efficient. In conclusion, the calibration management system enables accurate and timely calibration tracking, minimal manual effort with full automation, easy compliance with industry and ISO standards, centralized documentation with real-time insights, effortless report generation and approval handling. Thank you for watching this demonstration. To explore more or to request a live demo, please feel free to get in touch with us.